This is a fantastic venue in a great location. The friendly staff go above and beyond to make your stay absolutely perfect. We highly recommend you choose this establishment. Save any disappointment. You'll be glad you did. A great property with reasonable cost. I stayed here for 4 nights, and received such great service and quality of the room. The hotel offers free laundry service which made my trip much easier and enjoyable. The location of the property is great with walking distance to most tourist spots. In a quiet neighborhood without traffic noise. I will definitely recommend this accommodation to everyone. Excellent oasis. Because it is situated on a small street, it does not have noisy traffic, so the environment is very peaceful. I got a room with a balcony, and it was nice to sit in the mornings and nights. Also, Nia was an extremely helpful staff member, who was very friendly and accommodating for any needs. I highly recommend this hotel. Best option in District 1. The room is much bigger, cleaner and quieter than any option you could find at District 1, HCM City. The staff is super friendly and they will try their best to help you. The room on the picture might look dark but it is greater in real life, and very comfortable as well. Definitely return in the future. Superb. A nice little hotel in a quiet alley of Saigon. Clean, tidy, comfortable, safe and welcoming. The staff are wonderful. My experience at HCMC. Had a memorable time at Hotel CMP, Chez Mimosa Petite, especially the staff was very kind and always helping, felt so nice about the reception, food stay and additionally the welcome drink and the foot care at night was given. That was amazing. I recommend wholeheartedly this property for all as it's nearby to all the major places. I am happy about the price even. Thank the staff at CMP Hotel for making my trip memorable. Great location close to walking street. Is on a very quiet alley. Good nice location for a regular visitor to Saigon.